Render is a decentralized rendering platform that has been making a significant impact in the cryptocurrency space since its launch in 2020. With its innovative approach to graphics processing, many are curious about its future prospects. Therefore, in this video, we will be talking about why we believe that in the near future, 199 render tokens will set you financially free. However, the contents of this video are for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Render launched in 2020 with an initial price of about 6 cents per token. Since then, it has experienced significant growth, reaching its first all-time high of $7.80 in November of the year 2021. After that, there was a gradual and slow descent in price to a stabilized market price, hovering at about 40 cents, which could be attributed to the unfavorable market dynamics at the time. But despite that, it started experiencing a gradual and somewhat ascension in price to another all-time high, marked at about $13.15 in March 2024. This occurrence is one of the reasons RNDR is seen as a project that will continue to expand as a result of its increasing adoption, as evidenced by the increasing number of investors accumulating the tokens day by day. Looking back at the amazing upturn in the render token's market price from 40 cents to $11.75, it would not be far-fetched to hope for the token to replicate such an event once again, as teams working on render are actively putting in more effort to bring more improvements to the network. At the time of recording, the market price of RNDR is at about $10, with a market cap of $3.9 billion, as shown on the CoinMarketCap platform. Therefore, it would cost you about $2,030 to accumulate 199 RNDR tokens at $10 per token. And while that sounds like too much, you can decide to buy the tokens little by little until your desired amount is reached. As you know, Render is an interesting project that aims to revolutionize the fields of rendering and graphics processing. By leveraging blockchain technology and a decentralized network, Render seeks to provide a more efficient, cost-effective, and accessible way for artists, designers, and other professionals to render their work. It is an Ethereum-based utility token used by artists to trade for GPU compute power from providers. It uses a proof-of-render system to verify artwork before payment and release. The Ethereum blockchain ensures security by hashing up assets and distributing them to nodes for rendering. Payments are held in escrow and released to GPU providers after the artist confirms the work is successfully completed. To prevent malicious activity within both user bases, all assets rendered on the network are watermarked until payment is successfully processed. Once verified, all users can download the unwatermarked versions. Payments are held in escrow and released only after manual verification confirms the renderings are correct. With the coin trending in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, various predictions have been made concerning its future market price. Considering this market price as a good point of entry for interesting crypto enthusiasts to buy the token, as it is bound to ascend in price, which would, in turn, yield huge profits soon enough. A moderate prediction suggests that the market price of RNDR will rise to a range of approximately $12 to $14. If this occurs, the value of your 199 tokens would increase significantly. At $12 per token, your RNDR would be worth almost $2,400. And at $14 per token, the value would rise to almost $2,800. This means your initial investment could grow to a range between $2,400 and $2,800, reflecting a notable potential profit. From the point of view of technically analyzing Render's chart, it shows a strong upward trend, with higher highs and higher lows due to the effect of market dynamics. The relative strength index indicates a moderate level of overbought conditions, which could lead to a short-term correction. However, the results of market analyses suggest a bullish signal, indicating a potential continuation of the upward trend. Furthermore, the developers are consistently working on improving and expanding the prominence of the Render token on the cryptocurrency market by inducting new adoption and partnerships with the gaming, film, and design industries, which will bring about strong adoption and collaborations and improve the rendering technology and network efficiency with a view to improving the demands leading to higher prices. A notable thing that would bring an increase is the emergence of competing rendering platforms, which will undoubtedly impact Render's growth and prices in the near future. In addition, a most recent update on Render's official Twitter page talks about Propeller Digital, a 7-person e-commerce agency, switching to self-hosting on Render after experiencing degradation on their website due to high traffic. This move helped to solve the problem, thereby securing a future pricing advantage, and led the agency to change a core philosophy. Looking ahead, with the expectation of an incoming bull run, we believe that Render is bound to increase to an even higher price than the previously mentioned prices. Our prediction thus suggests that it will ascend to $20, which would make you earn up to a tiny bit less than $4,000. Also, while predicting cryptocurrency prices is inherently uncertain, our estimates are based on a comprehensive analysis of Render's historical data, technical indicators, and market trends, establishing the fact that by 2025, the market prices of RNDR would eventually reach any of these prices, depending on the factors mentioned above. And I'm sure you would agree with the fact that this project has in the past made lots of investors who bought into it early enough to become millionaires, and that it still boasts the potential to make more millionaires in the near future. And you would undoubtedly be among the beneficiaries if you bought it in from this current standpoint. What is your price prediction for Render in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.